Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a video to Flipaclip. The first thing you're going to do is open the app. From here, you simply want to tap on the plus to create a new project. But for this example, I will go into a pre-existing one. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. And you will see the option Add Video. You're going to tap on that. Then you can either select to record a video by tapping on camera, or you can select video library, or you could select file. For this example, I'll select one from my video library. And you can simply tap on the video that you would like to add. And that's it. You'll simply tap on choose, and now it's compressing the video. And you'll tap on the sticky in the top right hand corner, and from here you'll have to tap on watch ad or purchase feature. I'll simply tap on watch ad.
It's the classic game with an extra competitive
And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to add a video to Flipaclip.